If your goal is to list a branded product without purchasing a GS1 GTIN, there is a two-step process you must complete. Step 1 is brand name approval, and Step 2 is GTIN Exemption application. Step 1. Brand name approval can be done in two ways. Option 1 is to enroll in Amazon Brand Registry, which is the method Amazon recommends. You can register if you own an active trademark or if you have filed a trademark application through an accepted intellectual property office. If you already hold either a registered or pending trademark, it is strongly advised to complete brand registry first before adding listings. Option 2 is to request brand name approval directly inside Seller Central. This is an option for sellers who do not yet have a trademark. Amazon can still approve the use of your brand name on listings even without one. Keep in mind though that this pathway is limited and does not provide the extra protections and features of brand registry. To begin applying for brand approval, you need to click the Apply to Sell button. This opens up the application page. It is important to review this page carefully, and Amazon also includes a short tutorial video to guide you. You may add your brand's website if available. Next, you must choose the appropriate category for your product, select it, and then continue. The last requirement in this stage is to provide photographs of your branded product or its packaging. Amazon has specific rules for these images. The brand name displayed on the product or its packaging must match exactly with the brand name you are applying for. Even small differences, such as spacing into two words, may cause rejection. The photos must be taken by you. They need to look natural, either handheld or placed on a table. Professional studio images are not necessary. A simple phone camera picture of the product or its packaging is sufficient. The branding must be permanently attached, such as being stamped, stitched, printed, or applied in a way that cannot be easily removed. Stickers or temporary labels are not acceptable. Once you have these images ready, upload them, provide your email address and phone number in the application form, and submit it. After your brand name is approved, or once you are successfully enrolled in brand registry, you can then move on to Step 2.